Today, I'll walk you through the steps to log into Genshin Impact so you can start your adventure in Teyvat. Let's get started. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Here's how you can log into Genshin Impact. Open the Genshin Impact on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the Google Play Store or App Store and search for Genshin Impact and simply download it. On the login screen, you'll see several options for logging in. Choose from the following methods. Tap on Huverse Account if you've created an account directly with Huverse. Enter your username and password and then log in. Tap on the Facebook icon to log in using your Facebook account. You'll be redirected to Facebook to enter your credentials. Select the Google icon if you want to use your Google account to log in. Now you can tap to Twitter account. To log in with your Twitter account, you need to enter your Twitter credentials. Depending on your chosen login method, enter your credentials. If prompted, complete any verification steps such as entering a code sent to your email or phone or confirming your login on your social media account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the game's main menu or your existing game account. If you're a new player, you can start creating your character and exploring the world of Teyvat. And there you have it. You're now ready to log into Genshin Impact and start your epic journey.